Hey guys, hope you're well. Yeah, so today we're gonna look at foreign exchange. So looking at rates between currencies and stuff, that sort of thing. So it's just kind of like a financial mathematics kind of thing, sort of thing, but very simple. Right. Yeah. So on a side note, guys, I'd really appreciate it if you do subscribe to my channel. So if you love what you see, please do subscribe. And we're gonna be looking at using Google Sheets for that because it's got an API that you can actually use in the background that does all that stuff for you. So it pulls all the data from the markets and yeah, good to go. And it's normally about 20 minutes behind, so yeah, but it's good enough. Right. So yeah, so let's get started. So tool and call. Right. Right. To that. So that's column. What I'll do is I'll make that all bold and center that. Okay, so obviously £1 is hold on, let me do this as well. Center that as well. Yeah, so £1 is £1. One USD is the same, and 1 yen to 1 yen. Australian dollar 1 is to 1. 1 NZ is to 1 NZ, and so forth. Right? Yeah. So where they intersect, with numbers, where columns and rows intersect in the matrix. That's the equivalent of each currency, right? Cool. So GBP is my base currency because yeah, we're using the GBP, right? So equals then Google Finance, right? And then string, so currency, right? And we're looking at GBP USD. Yeah, there we are. Right. So basically what we're saying is £1 is $1.30 in America, or $1.31 if we're just gonna round it up, right? And the same thing again. So Google Finance, and then strings or currency, right? And then GBP, and then euro. Yeah. So £1 is €1 and 13 cents, or 14. Yeah. Right. And then the opposite, right? So equals then um, Google Finance, right, and then currency, right. So we are going with USD, GBP, right. So $1 is 76 pence. Well, 77p. That's what we're saying, right, and so forth. And then we'll do a random one. Uh, right, the South African rand. So Google Finance, and then currency. That's the code for it, right? So ZAR, South African rand, to AUD, right? So what we're saying is one South African rand is 8 cents in Australia, 1 9, right? That's what you're saying, right? Okay, yeah. So you get the idea, right? So I've got the completed sheet here. So here we are. So that's the whole lot. Okay. Uh, so £1 is $2 Australian, and $2.30 New Zealand, and 22 rands and 72 cents. I think that's what they use out there. And this is the Chinese um, renminbi. Yeah. So the pound, the USD, the euro, the Japanese yen, Australian dollar, the New Zealand dollar, South African rand, and the Chinese yuan. Yeah. I mean, you can always obviously add more currencies. Okay. Um, let me think of. another currency. Let's see. Um, just a random one. Yeah, Swiss franc. Right. So I can get that. CHF. Right. Bold. So make it bold. Right. Okay. So it goes to Google Finance. Right. And then currency. GBP to CHF. Yeah, there we are. And then I'll copy that. Oh, I'm just so lazy, man. Right. Instead, we'll do it this way. GBP. Right, there we are. So £1 is one franc, and five. I don't know what the decimal thing is. Right. Yeah, there we are. So yeah. So Google Sheets as well does the same. Yeah. So yeah, it's just a vid showing you how to use Google Sheets to do finances and stuff, that sort of thing. Yeah. And this hopefully will be helpful for someone else. Yeah, it's all maths at the end of the day. So I thought, yeah, we'll do a bit of applied mathematics in a way, that sort of thing. Yeah. So thanks guys for watching, and yeah, like I said, subscribe. And these currencies are of as of like the 5th of November, right, in Europe, and around 6 November in Australia, New Zealand, and all that lot, and the 5th of November in the Americas as well. So yeah, okay, cool. Cheers guys, thanks for watching, bye.